Hey guys, Leela's Tools here. So we're on to the third drawer down. If you haven't seen, we've got a overview of the top box, the first drawer, second drawer, now we're on to the third. This is my metric wrench drawer. It is not all of my metric wrenches, but it's the best storage of the ones I use the most that I have currently, or that I can do currently. I have a couple that I just have in here that I land on top. So we have gear wrench, ratcheting wrenches, 21, 19, 18, 17, no, 16, sorry, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and 6. So 6 to 9 millimeter minus the 7, and then we have a 21. Over here we have the gear wrench reversible ratcheting. These are branded Maximum from Canadian Tire here in Canada, but these are just rebranded gear wrenches. This is a set 18, 17, 15, 14, 13, 12, 10. I've used this 10 a lot. No issues. I have had issues with these gear wrenches just in general before. If you put a lot of torque on the ratcheting box end, they will lock up. You'll need to either give them a whack with a hammer, whack them on the ground, or put them on the fastener and sort of just wiggle them like this, back and forth, and they'll loosen up. No like broken teeth or anything, but they do lock up. That does happen. Here we just have one gear wrench, 14 mil stubby ratcheting wrench. Here we have a custom tool. It's an old gray Canada wrench, 15 millimeter, cut down into a little open end stubby. Here we have a Ghidorah 9 millimeter, older Indian made one. Maximum 10 millimeter stubby wrench. 10 mil stubby wrenches come in clutch. Like these are the bomb. We have a Gray Canada 11 millimeter, Gray Canada 14, Laura Germany, West Germany 7 millimeter, beautiful wrench. Look at the offset on that, isn't that nice? Here we have another Allura Germany. That is a 14 millimeter. Here we have a Stahlwille Germany 13 millimeter. Made in Germany. Here we have a John Deere USA 12 mil. I'm not sure if I forget if these were made by Mac or Snap-on, but one of the others is a really nice wrench. Here we have a nice Hazette 911 double open ends, chrome vanadium, made in Germany. And this little tiny guy down here. If it'll focus, it's a Belzer, made in Germany, and it's just a interesting wrench. It's a 5 millimeter with a straight end and a little offset. Isn't that cute? There's that guy, and a couple other wrenches I'll show you. I just keep in here. I have this guy. This is a Maximum 22 millimeter stubby wrench, and I keep this in it. This is a little adapter that fits in here and lets you put your 1/2-inch drive sockets on it. So if you need a really strange situation and you need a really strange 1/2-inch socket for the application, this works great. Also, what am I trying to say? If you can't get enough torque here, you can always double wrench it and whatnot. So there's that guy. I just keep that guy in here like that. And two other wrenches. I have this 23 millimeter Falcon spline drive, just to add to the collection. Better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it, right guys? And here's the DeWalt 20 millimeter. Yeah, so there is my metric wrench drawer. It's not amazing, but it gets the job done. And yeah, guys, so if you enjoyed watching, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if you haven't seen the rest of the box tour, do check it out. There'll be a playlist below. And yeah, I'll see you the next one. Take it easy.